Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So Instagram have added a new feature that is you can add a GIF or a sticker in your Instagram notes. So as this is a new update, make sure you have updated your Instagram application before trying these steps. So I will show you in my mobile screen how to add it. So when you will go to a message and you can see on the top this type of GIF is added in Instagram notes. So how to add this I will show you. Just go to your DM section and click on your notes. So here you will see a new option as GIF. Select this and select anything you want it. Okay, so here I will select this one. I will type this and I will, here you will see the option friends and close friend. I will keep it as share with friends and I will share it. So here you can see I have added. So in this way you can add it. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.